A major flood swept through the city of Maroc, catching residents off guard. In that urgent situation, construction machine operators suddenly turned into heroes due to their kindness and skills. Let's take a look at another flood. In the toughest times that we see the best of humanity. A little slip caused the boy to fall from the ski lift chair, but his father managed to catch him just in time. Observing this, the people on the ground quickly gathered and worked together to come up with the fastest rescue plan for the boy. Following a crash where a pickup truck overturned, a group of compassionate men swiftly rallied together to aid the driver, offering assistance even before the official rescue team arrived at the scene. Engaged in a wrestling match, the girl's younger brother perceived her as being in distress from the stands. Without hesitation, he dashed to her defense, despite being younger. With a brother like him by her side, she can rest assured that she'll never have to worry about anything. Curiosity led to harm for a goat whose head became trapped in a tin can. Thankfully, compassionate individuals assembled to assist and offer prayers for its well-being. On a diving expedition, a diver noticed a lemon shark repeatedly approaching and nudging him as if trying to convey something. Upon closer inspection, he discovered a fish hook embedded under its belly. This young man stumbled upon an eagle trapped by hunters. He brought it home to treat its wounds and care for it. Now he has gained a mighty new friend. Add one more example of the harmful effects of human waste on animals. Without good people like this girl, I wonder how much longer they would have to endure. This heartfelt moment captures the reunion between a young boy and his beloved dog, who was lost during the destructive tornado that swept through Oklahoma. Let's follow along a day in the life of marine animal conservationists. They discovered a seal tangled in human debris. They do this work out of dedication for a planet that becomes more beautiful every day. Weather changes bring increasingly extreme temperatures, affecting animals first. An ice storm leaves a deer frozen on the road. Good Samaritans help thaw it out, potentially saving it from starvation. With a dog like this, children can safely enjoy the pool. Trained to react swiftly, this canine companion stands ready to rescue anyone in distress, ensuring a watchful presence during water activities. After numerous attempts spanning years, this woman achieves a significant milestone, successfully landing her first kickflip. The wife proudly showcased how her husband helped their elderly neighbor after returning home from a long day at work. When a teenager took all the Halloween candy, this little girl's kindness stood out as she shared her treats selflessly. Inspired by her generosity, the boy also shared. The coach had gifted the boy a ball, but this mean-spirited man snatched it away. Afterward, the club gave the boy more than he had hoped for. The deserving still remained deserving. When a man caught a ball that had gone out of bounds, a small child approached, trying to purchase it. Instead of accepting payment, the man generously gave the ball to the child. This simple act highlights the profound truth that the joy of a child is priceless and transcends monetary value. This is the first time in the little girl's life that she's been given a doll, and you can see how happy she is. The girl found this squirrel during a storm when it was still a baby. Now they have been friends for 2 years, and behold the beauty of their bond. The owner taught this dog to snowboard once, and now it has become its favorite game. In Central Australia's scorching heat, one such bird approached humans for relief. Touched by its plight, people moistened its feathers and provided water. When it was time to go, the bird hesitated, revealing a bond forged through kindness and compassion. Men are big kids. Each day, a postman and a 3-year-old girl share a delightful dance of joy, their routine sparking happiness and fostering a heartwarming bond that brightens their days.
This is for you. This is for you.
For me?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
How to make any guy fall for you.
Wait, what's your name?
Ethan.
Ethan, nice to meet you, Alex.
Hi.
Are you okay? Do you need something?
If you find yourself running low on ideas for how to approach women, here's a creative suggestion to consider. The joy of victory in American football reaches new heights as one of the sport's strongest players, Travis Kelce, celebrates with his father, embodying a heartwarming bond that transcends the game. Due to illness, a student couldn't attend the graduation ceremony. This esteemed teacher ingeniously devised a mobile stage, ensuring the young woman didn't miss out on her momentous day. Let's witness the first steps of his eldest son together. This birthday will undoubtedly linger in this girl's memory for years to come, leaving an indelible mark on her heart.
Happy birthday.
Witness the inspiring sight of a father who stands by his daughter's side, demonstrating his unwavering support by mastering her entire cheerleading routine. At the start of the Battlehawks vs. New York Guardians game, Casey Sales, a player for the Battlehawks, approached her and engaged in a mutually beneficial exchange. This elderly gentleman frequently offering cold drinks to workers during their shifts, exemplifying kindness and thoughtfulness towards those working hard. One of the valuable things that enriches and binds this life together is kindness.
No, I might seem a little sad up here, but
The young boy moved everyone at the wedding to tears with the heartfelt speech he penned for his sister, leaving an indelible mark of emotion and love on the hearts of all in attendance.
brother-in-law.
And here is the gift that the art class students together dedicated to the girl whose father just passed away. This is the first time in her life that she has received a doll. Seeing the boy barefoot while carrying water stirred empathy in the man, leading him to buy shoes for the child. You are a good man.
Gamay?
These individuals showed compassion and generosity by supporting an elderly insole vendor, giving him the money he needed.
Не надо.
Мы домой с улыбкой ехали.
Спасибо,
Меня
спасибо.
с улыбкой.
The disabled person was afforded the opportunity to cool down from the sweltering heat, all thanks to the generosity and compassion of these kind-hearted men. This is a friendship that has grown from childhood together.
Okay.
Attacking is an instinctual defense mechanism for animals. However, that doesn't mean we shouldn't help them. Although unable to break out of the vet clinic himself, one determined inmate orchestrated a different sort of breakout by freeing the other animals from their enclosures. Initially cautious, the squirrel visited the author's back door for peanuts. Over time, its apprehension turned into enthusiasm, evident in its demeanor as the video progressed. This disabled son dreams of skateboarding. As a father, I won't allow anything to make my son sad. Tottenham Hotspur players paid tribute to the legendary fitness coach Gianpiero Ventroni, who tragically passed away from leukemia at 61. After having his bicycle stolen, this individual faced a daunting 10-mile walk to work. As he considered resigning, his colleagues intervened with a thoughtful gesture. They pooled together to buy him a new bike. The school bus driver stepped off the bus to accompany the blind girl on her walk home, ensuring her safety.
Can't walk together.
No,
That's just
This man sets a commendable example by generously providing bags of food to homeless individuals, recognizing their plight and offering support to those who may otherwise go days without a meal. Despite the damaged egg and the intrusion of ants, the bird was rescued, underscoring the timeless truth that it's never too late for intervention and salvation. In the video, the bear and passengers display emotional responses. Despite hunger, the bear accepts food from the car's passengers. After eating, it expresses gratitude by standing on its back legs. This is the girl's emotion upon learning that her lost cat survived the storm. Each of our small actions, whether it's a smile, a kind word, or a small gesture, can make a huge difference in someone else's life. Let's spread rays of hope and love together and encourage everyone to join us on this channel to create meaning and value for our community.